Hello, I'm Rouge the Bat. We will learn about safety instructions of an airplane. This is also called as a pre-flight demonstration, where air hostess could tell all the passengers to follow the aviation guidelines. From an airport first, where the flight is about to board. Then letting passengers in. Besides, each and every passengers must have a boarding pass. For example, American Airlines boarding ticket 735, allowing the passengers to get an entry to American Airlines flight 735. Inside the cabin, there are 35 seats in each row, and 6 seats in each column. They are marked as letters A to F. For example, if your seat number is 14B, you have to locate yourself which seat number is pointing. That is at the 14th row, and be at the second column. Once you have been seated, get ready to fasten your seatbelt. For every back of seat that says, "Fasten seat belt" while seated, life vest under your seat. This determines the passenger's safety. Above the seat will indicate 2 symbols. One is called no smoking, which we do not allow passengers to smoke a cigarette. Other called a fasten seat belt sign, to let passengers fasten seat belt during takeoff and landing. In the overhead compartment, passengers are allowed to put suitcases and bags inside. The weight capacity must not exceed 25 kilograms. Then once the flight is boarded, they are likely to be ready for takeoff. While the airplane departs, please be seated. Or else, the pilot is to do the emergency landing if passenger falls down on the aisle. One more feature is, for every smartphone devices while traveling, swipe up the notification taskbar from the top of the screen, then activate your profile flight mode. This will disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection and also the call signals, which avoids the disturbance of flight travel signals. Or else switch off your device if you don't have a flight mode featured. The back of the seat will also contain trays where serving snacks are provided in the airlines. The airline could provide meals and beverages if you are ready to eat. You can press the passenger help button for more information. Also provided magazines to read. This will include various advertisements, movies and music etc. Food menu is also shown in the last pages of the magazine. In case of low oxygen level at higher altitudes, the masks will drop down to let passengers wear. This maintains the body oxygen level. Also, when this happens if smoke is filled inside the places. Either someone smoked with a cigarette, or there is an overheat warning in the engine. This results in emergency landing. Keep your masks placed on nose and mouth but do not panic. The smoke detectors can be seen in the lavatories. It will beep to warn all the passengers. Finally, when we land the flight, you have to keep seated. Once the airplane arrives at the next airport, ready to unfasten your seat belt, take everything from the top of the cabin, but do not touch any unattended items, informed by airline security. And the part of the luggages at the back of the airplane transfer to the baggage claim number. For example, if all the luggages go to number 5 while the announcement has said, you have to go to baggage claim number 5 in the arrival section. One more, there is a TV screen at the back of every seat refers to international airlines. And that's how the safety instructions we have followed. Hope you had a good luck for flying. Like, comment, and subscribe now.